In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voiceover to Google Slides. First, open your browser and head to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you might be prompted to log into your Google account. Being on the Slides homepage makes everything quicker because it pulls together your files, templates, and anything you've worked on recently. On that homepage, choose Recent Presentations. This view is the fastest way to find the deck you were last editing without digging through folders. If you don't see it right away, you can also use the search bar at the top, but Recent usually does the trick. Now, click the presentation you want to add audio to. Your slides will load in the editor. Make sure you're on the exact slide where you want the voiceover to start. Remember, audio in Google Slides is placed per slide, so you'll repeat this process for additional slides if you need narration across your deck. Look toward the top of the screen for the main toolbar and find the Insert menu. This is where Google Slides keeps all the elements you can add to a slide: images, videos, charts, and, in our case, audio. Click Insert, then choose Audio from the drop-down. This opens a file chooser connected to your Google Drive. Slides pulls audio directly from Drive, so make sure your narration is already uploaded there. MP3 and WAV files work best. In the file picker, browse to the audio you want. You can use My Drive, Shared Drives, or the Recent tab if you just uploaded it. When you see the right file, click it to highlight it. This confirms your selection and activates the Insert button so you don't accidentally add the wrong file. With the file highlighted, click Insert. A small speaker icon appears on your slide which represents the audio. You can drag it to a corner to keep your layout clean and resize it if you want it more discreet. On the right, the Format Options panel typically opens to audio playback. Here you can set it to play on click or automatically when the slide opens, adjust volume, loop the audio, stop on slide change, and even hide the icon during presentation so your audience just hears the narration without seeing the control. Before sharing, switch to Present to test